up? So, welcome to my very first vlog. Some of you might notice that the Batman symbol isn't exactly centered every time a video changes an angle or whatever. That's because tripods are fucking expensive and I don't have one right now. So I'm going to do the best I can to make this video as entertaining as possible without making it too retarded. Last night I did a concert in Lemoyne and I must say it went kind of bad. A lot of things went wrong that I didn't exactly plan for, like the sound guy screwing up my backing tracks, tunings got fucked up, no one was really into it in the crowd. That was weird, you know. I know I'm doing something different, but damn. I mean, for Christ's sakes, I know I'm not doing breakdowns every 2 seconds like everyone's used to, like chug, 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 chug a chug, 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 chug a chug. But that's not to say that some good did not come out of last night. In fact, a lot of good actually came out of last night. I didn't win the actual event. I actually ended up placing second, and that was due to overall votes of everything. Third place won a $50 gift certificate, second place won a $75 gift certificate, and this is all gone to a recording. And first place won a $100 gift certificate. And then the big prize was the actual recording contract and the EP release. Even though I only placed second place, after the event was over, it was pulled aside by the owners of the venue and by the producer who was there from Watercourse Sound, and they actually told me that they still wanted to produce my CD for me for free. And I'm not exactly sure if that is going to be released through Ship Out Records or not, but it's still, in either way, pretty exciting to have my EP done for me for free, as recording is not cheap and it's very timely, but these people were impressed enough by my performance that they're willing to do this all for me for free. So I have to give a big thanks to Ryan and Tony at the championship for actually giving me the opportunity and willing to actually pay for this for me to get this done. The EP itself is going to be called Past, Present, Future. It's called that because all the songs that are going to be on it are exactly what that says. They are my past, my present, and going to be my future ultimately. As far as I know, it's going to have 5 songs on it. If you watch my concerts, which you can see in the videos, which will be on the side, you can see pretty much every song that's going to be on the CD and get a feel of what's going on with that. And to pretty much sum everything up, basically I'm fucking excited. Between now and the course of recording the EP, unfortunately I will not be playing any more shows. Just going to be focusing on getting this thing recorded and getting it perfected so we can get this out there as soon as possible. And yeah, that pretty much covers everything. This was my first vlog. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, please, if you haven't already, check me out on Facebook, facebook.com/RavenRain. It should pop right up. There'll be many more of these vlogs to come, so please, please, please stay in touch with me. See you guys later.